Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in our country for those students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. So this is the question number 33 from section B, and this is a MSQ type question. That means more than one option is correct here. As we know that in biotechnology paper in JAM, there are questions based on biology, chemistry, and also some questions based on mathematics. And today we are going to solve one of the mathematical questions. So given that a function fx is equals to x minus 1, x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4, and let alpha is equals to f of 3 by 2, beta is equals to f of 5 by 2, and gamma is equals to f of 7 by 2. And which of the following is correct, is or are correct, we need to find it. X minus 1 into x minus 2 into x minus 3 into x minus 4. Now alpha is equals to f of 3 by 2. Beta is equals to f of 5 by 2. Gamma is equals to f of 7 by 2. Therefore, we can write that alpha is equals to f of 3 by 2, and it is nothing but 3 by 2 minus 1, 3 by 2 minus 2, 3 by 2 minus 3, and 3 by 2 minus 4. So we have plus, minus, minus, minus. So after multiplication, the resulting sign is negative. Now let's check for beta. Here we have beta is equals to f of 5 by 2. That means 5 by 2 minus 1, 5 by 2 minus 2, 5 by 2 minus 3, and lastly 5 by 2 minus 4. And here we have plus, plus, minus, minus. So after multiplication, the resulting sign is positive. Now gamma is equals to f of 7 by 2, which is equals to 7 by 2 minus 1, 7 by 2 minus 2, 7 by 2 minus 3, and 7 by 2 minus 4. So here we have plus, 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 minus. That means the resulting sign is negative. Hence alpha and beta have same sign, and alpha, beta, and beta gamma have the same sign. Hence alpha and beta have same sign, sorry, I made a mistake here. Alpha gamma has same sign, that is negative sign, and alpha beta and beta gamma have the same sign, which is negative for both. Okay, therefore option B and D are correct. So we have successfully solved this question, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.